Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to withdraw from Bitget. So let's get into the video. So firstly, go to Bitget and log into your Bitget account. So once you've logged into your Bitget account, so what you're going to do on your top right here, click on your wallet and you'll see a withdraw option there. Click on withdraw. So we'll get to now to this withdraw page here. So when you get to your withdraw page here, so simply select the currency you're going to withdraw. So for example, if it's USDT, so just leave it as USDT, select it, and then next what you're going to do is you're going to select where you want to withdraw it to. So if you're withdrawing it to any other wallets, for example like your Revolut or any other wallets, you can simply, what you're going to do is just plug in. So simply plug in your wallet address, so where you want to withdraw it. So select the wallet address here. So just paste your wallet address and then the network, the appropriate network for it, and then once you're done, hit on next and then complete the process. If you want to withdraw it to a bank account, what you can just go to the fiat option here, and then here you just select the currency that you want to withdraw, and then once you select the currency and then the payment method, you can use SEPA. The payment method, hit on next and then complete the withdrawal process. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.